Hello, and welcome to my very first unboxing video. I have got Coffee in the Classic, my very first one, and I want to share it with you. So let's get started. Just came from work, if you can't tell. I just got home from work, and I am buzzing about this. And watch as I miraculously forget how to open a box. Okay. Okay, there's tape here. That's a good sign. Got my MacGyver inspired knifey here. Oh my goodness, I am a Twitter with anticipation. And I'm going to stab myself. I just know it. Okay, done its job. All right. First off, Coffee in the Classic. Explaining what it is. First published in 1897, Bram Stoker's Dracula established the ground rules for virtually all vampire fiction written in its wake. We'll forgive him for Twilight. Book Dracula by Bram Stoker. Coffee from Coffee Shop of Horrors. Bookish one. Ooh, I'm not going to stop reading since I don't want to spoil anymore. But, oh my gosh, look at this bookmark. It is wood and it is carved and it looks amazing. I'm already in love. All right. And then, ooh, look out. There is darkness in life, and there are lights, and you are one of the lights, the light of all lights. Bram Stoker, Dracula. 4-ounce candle. Look at it. It's gorgeous. And oh my goodness, it's sandalwood. It smells like sandalwood. It smells beautiful. Dracula-inspired candle from Coffee in the Classic. They made this. Oh gosh, I can't wait to light that. I'm so happy. The bookmark. Handcrafted from Fine Pen Art. That's an Etsy. So we got that. Oh. Here's the coffee. Dracula's Brew. Coffee Shop of Horrors. I'll let you know how it is. I can tell it's ground already, so that's going to be something. It's supposed to taste like whiskey. Well, butterscotch and vanilla flavored coffee. Oh, I'm going to try this later. And then, oh, they know my diet. They know my cleaning habits. Count Dracula soap. Coffin, dirt, blood, and night. I don't know if I want to smell like blood. Ooh, that is something like though. It is by, let me read it to you. Dracula-inspired soap from Story Sensations on Etsy. I'm going to be checking them out for other soap. Ooh, that is awesome. And for the piece de resistance, because we got all the little wormsies. Oh my gosh, look at this book. I am in love with this book already. Oh my goodness, I am so happy I'm doing this. Check it out. The little wormy. This is the Dracula. It has soft leather. And look at this. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? Listen to them, the children of the night. What music they make. And that mirrored, I'm sorry, I forgot about that. But this is so awesome to the touch. I love everything about it. I can't wait to put my name in. I can't wait to start reading. Of course, it's a Barnes & Noble. They make some of the best classic books. Look at this. I can't wait to get started. Anyway, thank you for sharing this moment with me, and I hope you have a good rest of your day. Bye now.